After my video yesterday about Donald Trump, I saw a lot of really troubling comments in my comment section, and I'm going to address them. For the people that don't know this, Donald Trump lost two separate New York cases. He lost a civil fraud case. On February 16th, it was ruled that the Trump organization had committed fraud and Trump was fined $355 million. On May 30th, a jury convicted Donald Trump on 34 felony counts of falsifying business records. That conviction stands. He is a convicted felon. It is under appeal, but it has not been overturned. Yesterday, a New York court, the appeals court, threw out the $355 million penalty on the civil case, but the fraud finding still stands. Some people are saying the Supreme Court overturned Trump's conviction. That is false. His criminal case hasn't even been heard at the state appeal court level yet. He has to go through New York's appellate division and then to the New York Court of Appeals, which is New York State's name for their state Supreme Court. Then and only then can it go to the US Supreme Court because it is a state crime. It has to go through the state system. The only thing the federal Supreme Court has ruled on is a narrow question posed by Trump in 2025 when he asked them to delay his sentencing and he made his argument about presidential immunity. The court denied the request, so Judge Merchan on January 10th issued an unconditional discharge. What that means is no jail, no probation, no fines. It simply means there's no punishment for the crime, but the conviction remains. Trump is still a convicted felon. You are convicted the moment the jury renders a verdict, not when you are sentenced. Sentencing can be delayed, but the conviction is immediate. And even if your belief is that that's not the way it works, he was sentenced. Now, these are the facts. People want to argue a bunch of talking points. He should have never been charged. New York is a blue state. They failed to prove the underlying charge. These weren't felonies. Or he is violent because of the military actions he takes. These are opinions, not historical facts. These are talking points. They don't change what happened. If you want to talk politics, I'll be live today at 11 Eastern on a lot of different places, but not here. I need like however many thousands of followers to go live here. Remember, just because you don't like something doesn't mean it didn't happen. You can hate the outcome, can disagree with it, but you have to acknowledge the reality. This isn't 1984. This isn't a dystopian world. We can't rewrite history to fit our narrative.